pala.
Wala yung one piece.
Dito na tayo. Filipino.
challenges, emerged victorious with gold medals, inspiring many with her resilience. Here comes Region 3's 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗀 with his crucial belt of the 𝗊𝗿𝗄𝗋. Region 3 has secured 25 gold medals, 37 silver medals, and 44 bronze medals. His standout story from Region 3 has shown an extraordinary performance in rhythmic gymnastics. He was a testament of perseverance and dedication, capturing the hearts of many. Now entering Region 4A 𝗊𝗵𝗲𝗀. As a powerhouse of sports, 𝗊𝗵𝗲𝗀 has 57 gold medals, 51 silver medals, 53 bronze medals. Making part of the history of the 2024 Palarong Pambansa, the most medal earned by an inspired swimmer from 𝗊𝗵𝗲𝗀 harvesting 7 gold medals. This demonstrates the region's athletic prowess. Welcome, Region 4B, 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗀. Known for its stunning islands and marine biodiversity, 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗀 earned 2 gold medals, 6 silver medals, 9 bronze medals. An impressive partnership in Badminton is sued for a record for 𝗵𝗵𝗿𝗀 to earn a gold medal win. Here we have Region 5, Bicol Region. The Bicolanos secured 14 medals, 15 silver medals, and 20 bronze medals. Their 𝗪𝗪𝗃𝗃 team displayed exceptional skills and agility, making their region proud with a thrilling gold medal win. Entering the arena, Region 6 Western Visayas. Famous for its festival and historic landmarks, Western Visayas brought down 56 gold medals, 40 silver medals, and 41 bronze medals. A rock boxer from this region captivated everyone with this incredible journey from humble beginnings to winning the gold. Welcome Region 8 Eastern Visayas. With its resilient spirit, Eastern Visayas secured 18 gold medals, 14 silver medals, and 22 bronze medals. The athletic team of Eastern Visayas stood out with a discipline and determination, earning accolades for their remarkable performances. Region 9 Zamboanga Peninsula. This region, rich in cultural diversity, earned 12 gold medals, 7 silver medals, and 16 bronze medals. The region's built on military masters showing impressive focus and exceptional skills, bringing home multiple goals. Now let's give a warm welcome to Region 10, Northern Mindanao. Known for its natural beauty, Northern Mindanao secured 14 gold medals, 27 silver medals, and 43 bronze medals. The region's artist team was a highlight, showcasing the Filipino martial arts with grace and power. Let's give a thunderous applause for our host, Region 7 Central Visayas. As the host region, Central Visayas will hold self-organized but also competition with 29 gold medals, 42 silver medals, and 29 bronze medals. The dance sport team was a particular highlight, impressing their grades and technical skill. Their dedication to making this event a success is truly commendable.